Okay, let's change the light bulb in the Jeep. I don't know what size that is. What did I pay for this? Jesus. $11 for a fog light bulb. That's nuts. Absolutely nuts. It is roughly 70 degrees out. I think it's 69. One of these has got to be the right one. Oh. Okay. Yeah, no, this is the American one. I bet you these are communist measurements. I already had this out once. I had no idea what bulb was in it. I was gonna buy LEDs for it. But I said, meh, I just get the stock bulb. I know it was gonna be $11. I could have bought 2 LEDs for that. Oh, what's done's done. If anybody that's curious on what the inside of your lights look like, this is it. Oh my ego. There we go. Okay, to get these out, you gotta push them down, push them over, flip them up that way so you don't forget how it came out. Take your old bulb out. Take your new bulb without touching the lens. $11. I can't believe this was $11 for one stupid bulb. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. Come on. Gotta go up and down at the same. Gotta go up and down at the same time here. That ought to hold it. Hope you got a good view. Yeah, I think next time I'm gonna upgrade. I put these bulbs in. Somebody sent them to me. I'm like, oh yeah, I'd love to have LEDs. Headlights for my Jeep. They're not holding up very well. I think they're getting dimmer as time goes on. That's what the cheap ones do, apparently. Come on. Okay. Now there is a gasket on this. So I am pushing in on it while I turn it. I don't want this to get wet inside. There we go. One. Think it'll work? Do you think it'll work? think it's about time for summer tires too. I don't need... Yeah, look at the difference between the LED and the fog light. Right about there's where I want them. There we go. About time to take the top off. Maybe we should hook these up too. Okay, well that's that for that project. What else we gotta do? A little cleaning up. I gotta fix the heater. I don't know if you'll all be interested in that. Alright, we're gonna call it a day. Probably gonna put this on the ground. I was going to show the customer what I did before I put it down, but he's not feeling well, so we'll get back to that later. We do have another box to open. We got mail, and I brought out a cart for helmets, so maybe we'll use that. It's from the hair salon. I figured it was a good place to put helmets for welding. Keep them clean, keep them organized. I do have more footage to edit and upload, but I haven't got there yet. So be patient. Thanks for watching.